Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our DT number 1, DT8 Ultra Plus Smartwatch. Okay, again, this is the DT8 Ultra Plus Smartwatch. And this time, we are going to install the support app for this wearable, as you can see here. Okay, it is using the Wear Pro support app. And of course, we are going to pair the smartwatch with this application and see what are the additional features for this new model of the DT8 Ultra. Again, this is the upgraded version, the DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the app installation of the Wear Pro support app, okay, so just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, our smartwatch is ready. So it's all more than 50% battery. Okay. And we already have here the smartphone. Okay. So let's install the application. It is using the Wear Pro support app. It's also available here in a comprehensive and detailed user manual. As you can see here, we have the QR code. I'm not sure whether it is also available. The QR code is also available here in the app, in the device. So let's see. Okay, so usually that's available in the settings. Okay, so let's check mode selection, factory reset. Okay, so it's not. Let's see here in the main menu. Okay, contact, sports ECG. By the way, we do have a very smooth transition and smooth rotating of the crown button. Okay, so it's not also the other one. Okay, let's check. Find phone. Okay, so seems like it's not available here. Okay, maybe I missed something, but so far we did not see the QR code here. Anyways, we are already familiar with the application. Again, the application for the DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch is the Wear Pro support app. Okay, so let's search. This tutorial is for Android smartphone. Okay, so let's search here in the Google Play Store. Again, what is the application? Wear Pro app. Okay, so here is the application. As you can see, we have the same logo. Okay, so this is how to connect your smartwatch to the Wear Pro. Okay, 19 MB. Okay, very light. Tap on install. Let's wait. Okay, we're going to have an installation of the Wear Pro application. So this will be fast. As you can see here, it is just 19.0 MB. Okay, so we'll just wait. Okay, let's tap on it. Okay, Wear Pro is a companion app for smartwatches. Okay, so we have a mixed review here, 3.3 average. So there's some issues also, just like any other support app. Okay, for the number of users, let's see. We have at least 1 million plus downloads. So it's a popular app also. Okay, so it's now installing. Again, if you have any questions regarding the installation, okay, you may drop a comment below. It's now installing the application. Okay, so finish. Okay, version 2.4.3. Okay, so we're done. Let's try to open the application. Okay, let's arrange this first. Okay, let's open the application. Okay, we do have now the Wear Pro app, and we are on the UI. So here we have a permission. Allow Wear Pro to access this device's location. Just allow it. Okay, so you can either sign up here or put your details. I'll just save it. Leave it as it is. Please enable floating window permissions. Just tap OK. Display over app. Just activate it and go back. Okay. So tap again. Let's check. Maybe we missed something. Okay. That seems like nothing else. Okay. So here on the bottom part we have health, sport, device, and me. Me is for your profile. Okay. Tap on the device. Okay. So here, no device found. Bind device scan code binding. Okay. Maybe you need to use this one. Okay. Let's try another way. Instead of bind device, let's try to use this one. Okay, where is that QR code? My QR code. So this one. Let's check. Allow Wear Pro to take pictures and record video. Allow Wear Pro to access photos and media files on your device. Again, let's check. Oh, no. Okay. Please add and synchronize that QR code in the app. So it will not work this way. How about this one? Please turn on your Bluetooth first. Activate. Go back. And tap again bind device. So we have here the Zordai and a smartwatch with no name or no brand. Let's check. Okay. So is this our smartwatch or this one? Okay. Let's check. Go to your settings. Password, the side key set, factory reset. I don't see any about section. Set our smartwatch. I don't know. Okay. So no details. Info. Okay. Okay. So we have here the QR code. Okay. So 163A7D. So this is our smartwatch. Okay. Let's try this one. Okay. I'm intrigued if this thing will work. Scan QR code for binding. Okay. Okay, it works. So at least we've done at least 2 ways to connect your smartwatch to the Wear Pro Support app. It is detected that the watch audio Bluetooth is not connected. Is it connected? Okay, so seems like we have to activate it. Okay, to activate that, just go to your Bluetooth settings. Okay, this is for your call, Bluetooth call and music control function. Okay, let's see. So are we connected? Maybe this is the one. Okay, connecting. Okay, we are now connected. Okay. Okay, so oh, we did not activate it here in our smartwatch. Just pair and connect here. Allow access. Still need permissions. Okay, are we connected now? Let's go back again. Okay, so we are now active. So we're done. Now next, let's activate the app notifications. Okay, so enable. Just look for the Wear Pro. Okay, so allow notifications access for Wear Pro. Allow it. Okay, so app notification. So you can choose it here, whether Twitter, Skype, What else do we have here? YouTube, Messenger, and any other application. Okay, then let's check SMS. Okay, we do have some calls. Wait. Okay, so let's activate the SMS. Okay, so we have another permission here. Allow Wear Pro to send and view SMS messages. Just allow it. Allow Wear Pro to access your contacts. Just allow it. Then another one, incoming calls. Another permission. Allow Wear Pro to access your phone call logs. Just allow it. Allow Wear Pro to make and manage phone calls. Just allow it. Okay, so seems like everything is okay now. And we are now connected or paired with our DT8 Ultra Plus Smartwatch with the Wear Pro app. Okay, so this is an Android smartphone, but the steps is almost the same with the iOS platform. Okay, if you want to pair your smartwatch with the Wear Pro app and you are using other devices, the steps is almost the same. Again, if you have any questions regarding this video tutorial for the pairing of your smartwatch to the Wear Pro Support app, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.